Hi, it's Sarah Jean from the Right Site, and today I'm going to show you how to add a hyperlink and remove a hyperlink for your URLs and DOIs on your references page. So in APA 7, the DOIs and URLs should be hyperlinked. They should be clickable. So well, I copied and pasted this in, and it's not hyperlinked. I can't click it. So there's a really simple way to do this. Put the cursor at the very end of the URL. See, I can see there's no space there. I'm in the right spot, right beside that 6, and hit the space bar. Now it's clickable. We'll try it again here. It's clickable. Another way you can do it is you can copy the link once again, right click on it, and click link, and then just paste it in. Click OK, and now it's hyperlinked. Now, if you accidentally hyperlink this in another style, like MLA, where you don't want them to be hyperlinked, then again, just right-click on it, and now it has all these options related to the link, and you can click Remove Hyperlink, Remove Hyperlink, Remove Hyperlink.